Hello fairies! Do you like fashion design, nice clothes, shoes and bags? Then you will just love to make a fashion fairy. Hi, Kati is here from Dodó Art Channel. You probably have fashion magazine at home with a lot of nice fashion photos of different type and colors. I'm going to show you how I make this particular fairy. First, I take a piece of paper and make a rough design of my fairy, so I can see the proportions of head, body and wings. And now comes the exciting part of the process. I start to search for different photos, colors, styles, and I just go after my heart and feelings. I cut out the interesting pieces and I slowly put together the different parts of my fairy. The funny thing about fashion magazine is that the photos are usually very colorful, vivid and alive, and combining such parts will make your design very unique and personal. It can take some time to find the right photos and items. For instance, the shoes of my fairy is a simple shoe photo. I think they are very funny and I use them in the design. The background and the face of my fairy are pieces of my own Dodó art scrapbook design. I made this fairy in advance and now I'm going to put together the main parts with glue stick on a separate paper. When the main parts are put together, I glue the figurine on my final background, and now on I'm going to do all additional decorations on the final surface. For the hair design, I'm using a lot of small pieces. This one can take some time to put together, and it will make your fairy super special. As a final touch, I decorate my fairy with different hand-decorated parts. I use jelly pens, metallic pens and fine liners to do this. At the end, I also decided to give the fairy a fancy handbag and a big red flower in the hair. With a black fine liner, I created nice eyelashes. This Glamour Fairy is seeing possibilities everywhere now. Hope you enjoyed. Making your own little figurine with this technique will guarantee you a surprising outcome. You are just going to like every part of the process. I really enjoyed making this video for you. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. It makes me feel really good. Have a nice fairy day. See you next time. Bye.